श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्त्यै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। Hello everyone, let us know about the 2022 yearly horoscope results. First of my apology for a little bit of 1 week late predictions. There will be a planetary changes from Ugadi festival, and due to which is the astrological benefits can be noticed by our beloved people staying outside India to those who are staying in abroad. We predict the astrological benefits according to English calendar, wherein 40 to 60% transit results can be noticed. Also, our beloved Telugu people can stay tuned to Astro Syndicate channel to know their astrological benefits. Let us know about the 2022 yearly horoscope results. Virgo results are as follows. You might not get your visa, PR and green card in the middle of the year. A feeling of dejection may also make you slack. Monetarily also this period may prove to be challenging. It is better to pay off debts quickly. High conflicts may occur with the siblings. Your gains may likely convert into losses. You are advised to develop your mental anxiety and self-confidence. If you are planning to go abroad, you may have to go through a few obstacles before you get the green signal for your trip. It is advised to control your straightforwardness to maintain harmony in your domestic and professional life. Spiritual energy may help you to make the right decisions. You may criticize yourself. You may find it difficult to make some important decisions, which may be a reason for your lack of self-confidence. You may spend your hard-earned money on buying some worthless stuff. You will give your 100% best in every work you do, but you won't receive the favorable results with the hard work you do. Blessings from elders may help you to come out from the situation. Your confusion in choosing targets may now to be finalized. More expectations may affect your emotional attachment with your friends. Students may spend their time by studying intellectual stuff. With the help of new people, you may try to revamp your business plans. In the starting of the year, you are advised to read the documents twice before you put your signatures on it. New people may connect you on the work front. You may have some sort of energy that create your prestige among people around you. Your colleagues may be supportive of your work, which will convert into success in terms of the project. You may expect to get some incentives with the salary. Students will achieve the kind of education they envision. You are advised to control your arrogance, otherwise you may face some losses due to your harsh speaking while you are talking with the people around you. Lovers should be careful in making discussions on worthless topics, otherwise relationship may get affected. You may plan to invest some capital in the business, which may increase liquidity into your business. Your earnings may boost your bank balance. You may enjoy happy moments with your spouse, which may enhance harmony in the family life. Singles may likely find a good match. Your focus may be good, which will reflect into your way of working. Your wisdom will help you to go ahead in taking difficult decisions in terms of profession. Your past investments may likely give profits. You may likely visit some religious place with your family or friends. Property related deals may likely to be done. You are advised to avoid being involved in controversies. Your strong willpower and blessings from elders may protect you from these messy situations. You are advised to avoid making arguments in domestic life. You should also avoid a rash driving or any adventure tour in the year ending. Your boss will be happy and appreciate your work. The government and private job holders are likely to have some changes in their place and position at their work in terms of promotions. You are likely to have control over opponents and hidden enemies. You may be able to make quick decisions which will increase your business. You and your siblings may like to start a new ventures which will increase your social status. You may internally feel a lack of confidence which may stop you from doing something creative at work. Your hard work may pay you now, which may boost your confidence in the third and fourth month of this year. The property related disputes with the siblings and adults are likely to be resolved in the third and fourth of this month in this year. You will meet some influential person, may boost your network. Disputes with the partner may also be resolved. You are likely to get a big order with the help of your communication skills, which may increase you in the business. You are likely to make new plans to start some new projects. Your perfection may help you to implement and plan successfully. Those who wanted to invest money in the share markets and speculations can invest money in the starting and ending of the year. Slight loss to the farmers who grow crop like orchards, millets, maize, jowar and chilies. The great profit to those who sell tamarind, turmeric, cotton and jaggery. Great reputation to the television artist, child artists, athletes, singers and choreographers. Livestock are susceptible to disease in the dairy and poultry industries. Be careful with the finances as there is a tendency to loss of wealth in the starting of this year. Be extra careful while dealing with the people. Unnecessary fights may come to pass as you tend to get involved in arguments more easily than usual. Obstacles in your workplace may come up but stick on as they are of temporary nature. Avoid working too hard, which could cause a build-up of physical and mental fatigue. Utmost care is required when it comes to your health as well as of the family. Old chronic health issues may arise. Pregnant ladies are advised not to step out from the house. It may cause danger to their health. Terrible loss to the doctors, cops, lawyers and medical teams. Lucrative profit to the LIC, real estate and housing agents. Cement, pharma, construction, painting workers, scrapers, merchants and pot makers are advised to work hard to earn minimum money without loss. The court cases are more likely to come up. Those who are in the field of cinema will make a huge profit. High position will not be able to receive to those who are in the political arena in the middle of the year. Fishermen are advised not to go into the sea for fishing. They might have a terrible loss. The amazing profit to the furniture, glass, resin and leather industries. Minimum loss to the event management, interior and exterior designers, beauticians during this year. You may explore and analyze yourself to figure out your negatives. It is better to recite Subramanya Ashtakam and perform in Shanigraha Japam with the Brahmins to get positive results. The results are favorable throughout the year for this zodiac. I want everyone to lead a happy life, prosperity, good health and wealth in this year and every year too. Enjoy every moment happily. Have a beautiful and fantastic year. I hope you will have a great year ahead. If you liked and enjoyed listening to the 2022 yearly horoscope results, please share it with your near and dear ones. Respected viewers, I owe you an apology for the grammatical errors I have done. I take full responsibility for my actions. I will try to recollect my mistakes and at least do a bit of better in my upcoming videos. And also please subscribe to our channel, that is Kiran's Astro 9, and share as much as possible with your near and dear ones. If there are any grammatical mistakes in my videos, please share those points and let me know. You can watch our channel videos on your website, that is www.astrosyndicates.com, and there are other things about our channels too. Please do support and encourage me. Thank you. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can join our Telegram channel. Links will be given in the description below. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्य परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।